Good morning, children. Welcome back to Science Online class. Children, today we are going to revise lesson 5 and 6. So, get ready with your science book and booklet. Children, now let's revise book exercise. So, turn page number 53. Objective type questions. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Question number 1. Dash is a mixture of many gases. Water or air? Answer, air. Question number 2. All living things need dash to live. Oxygen or water vapor? Answer, oxygen. OXYGEN, oxygen. Question number 3. Water dash to form ice. Freezes or melts? Answer, freezes. FREEZES, freezes. Next, question number 4. Dash is water in a vapor form. Steam or ice? Answer, steam. STEAM, steam. Question number 5. Steam dash to form water. Steam dash to form water. Evaporates or condenses? Answer, condenses. CONDENSES, condenses. Next, choose the correct option. Question number 1. In which of these forms does water exist in nature? Solid, liquid, gas, all of these. Answer, liquid. Question number 2. Which of these is not true about air? It is a gas. It contains oxygen, which is a liquid. It contains oxygen that is needed by all living beings. It has no shape or size. Answer, it contains oxygen, which is a liquid. Question number 3. What comes out when water is heated? Steam, ice, water, condensation. Answer, steam. Question number 4. Which of these do not flow and cannot be poured into containers? Solids, liquids, gas, all of these. Answer, solids. Question number 5. Which of these processes help to change steam into water? Condensation, cooling, boiling, both A and B. Answer, condensation and cooling. So, answer is both A and B. Next, sixth one. Which of the following do not have a shape and size of its own? Solids, liquids, gases, all of these. Answer, gases. Question number 7. What state of matter is oil? Solid, liquid, gas, both B and C. Answer, liquid. Question number 8. Which of these does air contain? Only oxygen, water vapor, many gases, all of these. Answer, all of these. Next, turn page number 54. Roman number 2, very short answer type questions. Give one word for the following. Question number 1. Things that do not flow and have a fixed shape and size. Answer, solids. SOLIDS, solids. Question number 2. Things that can easily flow and take the shape of the container. Answer, liquids. LIQUIDS, liquids. Question number 3. The process by which water changes to ice on cooling. Answer, freezing. FREE, freezing. ZING, freezing. Next, give 2 examples for the following. Solids, pen, salt. PEN, pen, salt. SALT, salt. Next, liquids. Water, oil. WATER, water. Oil, OIL, oil. Next, gases. Third one, gases. Oxygen, water vapor. OXYGEN, oxygen, water vapor, WATER, water vapor, VAPOUR, vapor. Next, question number 4. Process that changes water from one form to another. Evaporation, condensation. EVAPORATION, evaporation, condensation. CONDENSATION, condensation. Next, lesson 6. Living and non-living thing. Turn page number 63. Let's remember. Circle the odd one out in each of the following. Question number 1. Cat, dog, leg, fin. Add on out, fin. Question number 2. Book, plant, chair, table. Add on out, plant. Question number 3. Cockroach, butterfly, mosquito, stomata. Add on out, stomata. Question number 4. Air, water, antennae, light. Add on out, antennae. Next, Roman number 2. Write T for the true and F for the false statements. Question number 1. Mimosa plant opens at sunrise and closes at night. Answer, false. Question number 2. Most plants reproduce with the help of eggs. Answer, false. Question number 3. Non-living things move from one place to another. Answer, false. Next time, page number 65. Book exercise. Roman number 1. Objective type questions. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Question number 1. A bird moves with the help of dash. Wings or fins. Answer, wings. WINGS, wings. Question number 2. A fish moves with the help of dash. Wings or fins. Answer, fins. FINS, fins. Next, question number 3. Leaves of the dash close up when touched. Mimosa or lotus. Answer, mimosa. MIMOSA, mimosa. Next, question number 4. Plants breathe through tiny holes in their dash. Flowers or leaves. Answer, leaves. Next, question number 5. Dash feel changes around them. Only animals and plants. Answer, animals and plants. ANIMALS, animals, and AND plants. PLANTS, plants. Next, choose the correct option. Question number 1. Why do living things need food? To work, to move, to grow, all of these. Answer, all of these. Next, question number 2. Which of these organs help animals to feel changes around them? Sense organs, antennae, fish and wings, both A and B. Answer, sense organs, antennae. So, both A and B. Next, question number 3. Which of the following is not a sense organ? Eye, tongue, leg, ear. Answer, leg. Fourth one. Which of the following living things do not lay eggs but give birth to a baby? Pigeon, plant, woman, ken. Answer, woman. Fifth one. The leaves of which plant close up when touched? Mimosa, neem, all green leaves, mango. Answer, mimosa. Sixth one. What helps insects to breathe? Lungs, air holes, nose, gills. Answer, air holes. Seventh one. Which of the following animals is not a bird? Horse, pigeon, parrot, crow. Answer, horse. Eighth one. Which of the following living things do not go in search of their food? Bear, squirrel, monkey, plant. Answer, plant. Ninth one. By which process do living things produce more of their own kind? Digestion, breathing, hearing, reproduction. Answer reproduction. Turn page number 66. Roman number 2. Very short answer type questions. Write one word for the following. First one. Things that move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes and reproduce. Answer living things. Question number 2. Part of a plant that helps it to breathe. Answer stomata. S-T-O-M-A-T-A. Stomata. Third one. Part of an insect that helps it to feel changes around it. Answer antennae. A-N-T-E-N-N-A-E. Give 2 examples for the following. Question number 1. How plants respond to changes around them. Plants like a lotus flower open out at sunrise and closes at night. Plants like mimosa, touch me not, feel a touch. Question number 2. Animals that breathe through air holes in their body. Cockroaches, butterfly. C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H-E-S. Cockroaches, butterflies. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S. Butterflies. Third question. Animals that have antonym. Grasshopper, ant. G-R-A-S-S, grass, H-O-P-P-E-R. Grasshopper, ant, A-N-T, ant. Question number 4. Non-living things that can move. Train, bus. T-R-A-I-N, train, bus, B-U-S, bus. Fifth question. Plants that give rise to new plants with the help of their roots. Carrot, potato. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot, potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Children, take your science booklet. Lesson 5. Solids, liquids and gases. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Name 3 forms in which things exist. Solids, liquids, gases. Question number 2. Write 2 differences between solids and liquids. Write 2 differences between solids and liquids. Solids have a fixed or definite shape. Liquids do not have any definite shape. They take the shape of the container. Solids do not flow. Liquids flow easily. Question number 3. What is evaporation? What is evaporation? The process by which water changes into steam on heating is called evaporation. What is evaporation? The process by which water changes into steam on heating is called evaporation. Next, fourth question. What is condensation? What is condensation? The process by which steam cools down and changes into tiny water droplets is called condensation. What is condensation? The process by which steam cools down and changes into tiny water droplets is called condensation. Question number 5. With the help of a labeled diagram, show how water changes its forms. First, ice changes into water. Ice changes into water on heating. This process is called melting. Ice changes into water on heating. This process is called melting. Next, water changes into steam. Water changes into steam on heating. This process is called evaporation. Water changes into steam on heating. This process is called evaporation. Next, steam changes into water. Steam changes into water on cooling. Steam changes into water on cooling. This process is called condensation. Next, water changes into ice. Water changes into ice on heating. This process is called freezing. Next, lesson 6, living and non-living things. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Name any 5 features of living things. Name any 5 features of living things. Living things can move on their own. Living things can move on their own. They grow with time. They grow with time. They need air to breathe. They need air to breathe. They need food to grow. They need food to grow. And they can reproduce. They can reproduce. Next, second question. With the help of examples, mention 2 ways in which plants show movement. With the help of examples, mention 2 ways in which plants show movement. First point, plants such as mimosa, touch me not plant. Plants such as mimosa, touch me not, show movement by closing their leaves when touched. Second point, a lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at night. Next, question number 3. How do plants get their food? How do plants get their food? Plants make their own food in the presence of air, water and light. Plants make their own food in the presence of air, water and light. Question number 4. How do animals reproduce? How do animals reproduce? Animals reproduce by either laying eggs or giving birth to young ones. Animals reproduce by either laying eggs or giving birth to young ones. Question number 5. Give any 5 differences between living and non-living things. Give any 5 differences between living and non-living things. First point, living things can move on their own. Non-living things cannot move on their own. Second point, living things grow with time. Non-living things do not grow with time. Question number 3rd point, living things need air to breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. 4th, living things need food to grow. Non-living things do not need food. 5th point, living things reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce.